Creating product videos is one of the biggest challenges for online businesses. It's expensive, time consuming, but what if I told you that you could turn a single product image into a professional video using AI automatically? In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple N8N automation that creates high quality product videos without filming anything, without editing, and without complicated setup. So I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. To create high quality product videos using N8N, we are going to do 3 parts. And the first part is to set up the workflow. To set up the workflow, we are going to do 3 steps. And the first step is to get the N8N hosting. N8N is an automation tool that lets you connect different apps and services to automate tasks. Since N8N is open source, you get many more benefits when you host it on your own setup. So to host N8N, I'm going to use Hostinger. Hostinger provides reliable hosting and an easy setup for running N8N. So to get the hosting, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. Scroll down and you will find different plans available in Hostinger. The basic plan is perfect for simple workflows. The standard plan offers more power for moderate users. The advanced plans are suitable for larger, more complex N8N workflows with better performance. You can choose the plan based on your needs. I'm going to select this plan. Then click here and choose how long you want the hosting for. If you use this coupon, you will get additional 20% discount on your purchase. Just enter the code and click apply and you can see the discounted price here. Now let's complete the payment. And as you can see, we have now got the N8N hosting. So this means we can now set up the workflow. So let's go to step 2, which is to set up N8N. So to set it up, first we need to get our free license key. To get the key, click on Manage App, fill in these details and click Next. Here enter your email address and click on Send to request a free license key. This will be used to access N8N's paid features for free. So let's go to our email box and you can see that we've got an email here. Let's open it and click Activate License Key. This will link N8N to your account and unlock all your features. So now we have successfully set up N8N and let's go to step 3, which is to download the workflow. To download the workflow, just click the link in the description. And I have already prepared the workflow and kept it ready in this JSON, which you can download for free. This automation has 2 workflows, and now to extract the workflow, just right click on the folder and select Extract All. Then click Extract again. Once that's done, open the folder. You can see both the workflows here. In the first workflow, we upload the product image and generate the video prompt. In the sub workflow, we use that prompt to generate the final video. Now let's import this workflow. To do that, click here and select Import from File and open the first workflow. As you can see, we have successfully imported our workflow template into N8N. Now let's see a quick overview of how this entire workflow works. In this automation, we are using 2 workflows, a main workflow and a sub workflow. The main workflow handles the image processing and the prompt creation, while the sub workflow generates the video. When we run the workflow, the first node shows a form where we upload the product image and optionally add a short description. Once submitted, the image is uploaded to Cloudinary, which generates a public image link. Then the image is sent to Google Gemini, which analyzes it and generates a detailed description of the product. Then the description is sent to Creative Director node, which uses the OpenRouter chat model to turn it into a detailed video prompt that defines how the product video should look. After the prompt is generated, the workflow calls the sub workflow, which sends the image and the prompt to KIE AI to generate the product video. Once the video is ready, the workflow downloads it and we can preview and save it. You can use this workflow for e-commerce product videos, social media ads, product demos, or marketing content. Now we need to set up the nodes and connect the required API services to our workflow. So let's go to part 2, which is to set up the main workflow nodes. And we are going to do this in just 3 simple steps. The first step is to connect Cloudinary to N8N. Cloudinary is a cloud service that stores images and gives us public image links. We need these links because N8N can't directly send local images to AI models. So we have to upload the image to Cloudinary, and once uploaded, a direct link of the image will be created, which will be used to generate the output video. So to connect Cloudinary to N8N, open this node. And here we need to add the cloud name. Because this tells N8N which Cloudinary account it should upload images to. Click the link in the description and it will take you to this page. Now click Get Started and sign in with your Google account. Once you're on this page, here you can see your cloud name. So let's copy it by clicking here. And come back to N8N and replace this placeholder with it. Scroll down and here we need to add the folder. So let's go back to this tab again. Click Assets, go to Folders and click here to create a new folder. We're creating a folder so all uploaded product images stay organized in one place. Give the folder a name. Click Save. Now click here. Once the folder is created, copy the folder name. Come back to N8N and paste it here. This tells N8N exactly where the images should be stored inside Cloudinary. Next, go back to Cloudinary again. Click the settings icon. Click Upload. Then click here. Here, we create an upload preset, which allows N8N to upload images without manual approval each time. Enter the name of the preset. Then open this drop-down and select Unsigned. Now enter the name of the folder you just created. Then click Save. Now copy the preset name. Go back to N8N. Replace this text with the preset name you just copied. And now N8N knows where to upload images, how to upload them, and which Cloudinary account to use. So we have successfully connected Cloudinary to N8N. Now let's move on to step 2, which is to connect Google Gemini to N8N. Google Gemini is the AI model that analyzes the product image and generates a clear, detailed description. This description is important because it is later used to create high-quality video prompts. So to connect Google Gemini to N8N, open this node and click here. Then click Create New Credentials. Here we need to add the Google Gemini API key. To get the API key, search for Google AI Studio in your browser. And click on the first link. Once the page opens, click Get API Key. Then click Create API Key. Let's give the key a name. Next, click on this drop-down and select Create Project. Now give the project a name and click Create Project. Once the project is created, click Create Key. As you can see, the API key is now generated. Copy the API key. Go back to N8N. Paste it here. And click Save. Alright, we have now successfully connected Google Gemini to N8N. And now let's move on to step 3, which is to connect OpenRouter to N8N. We use the OpenRouter chat model to turn the image description generated by Gemini into a clean, detailed video prompt. This prompt is what the image to video AI uses to create high quality videos. We're using OpenRouter since it gives us access to powerful language models for free. So to connect OpenRouter to N8N, open this node. Click here and select Create New Credentials. Here we need to add the API key. To get the API key, click the link in the description and sign in using your Google account. Once you're signed in, click here and then go to Keys. Now click Create API Key. Give the key a name. Click Create. And as you can see, the API key is now generated. Copy the API key. Go back to N8N. Paste the key here and save the credentials. Alright, so now we have finished setting up all the main workflow nodes. Next, we need to add a sub workflow, which is the part that actually generates the final video. So let's move on to part 3, which is to add the sub workflow. The sub workflow is responsible for taking the prompt from the main workflow and converting the image into a video. To do this, we'll follow 2 simple steps. And the first step is to import the sub workflow. To import the sub workflow, right click here and open this in a new tab. Then click Create Workflow. Click here and select Import from File. And upload the sub workflow file. Once the file is uploaded, you can see that the workflow has been imported successfully. Now let's move to step 2, which is to connect KIE AI to N8N. KIE AI is the tool that actually converts the image into a video. KIE AI is a model aggregator that offers access to multiple AI models, and we will use the Google Veo 3 model from KIE AI to generate the video. To connect KIE AI to N8N, open this node, scroll down, and here we need to add the API key. To get the API key, click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. Click Get Started and sign in using your Google account. To access the API, we need to upgrade from the free plan because API access is only available on paid plans. So go to Billing. I'll select this plan. Click Buy Credits. Enter your card details and complete the payment. Once the payment is done, go to API Keys. And as you can see, the API key is now available. Copy the API key. Go back to N8N. And paste it here. Now open this node as well and paste the same API key here because both nodes need access to KIE AI. Once that's done, save the workflow. And just like that, we have successfully added and connected the sub workflow. Now let's go back to the main workflow. Open this node, and from here, select the sub workflow we just added. So the main workflow can trigger it automatically. Next, let's test the workflow and see everything in action. First, save the workflow and click Execute. You'll now see this form. First, let's upload a product image. You can also add a short description if you want to give the AI a bit more context. Once that's done, click Submit. And the workflow will now run in the background. And it's done. Now open this node and click View. As you can see, we've successfully created a high-quality product video from the image we uploaded, and it looks clean and professional. To download the video, click on these 3 dots, then click Download, and the video will be saved to your system. So that's it, guys. This is how you can create high-quality product videos using AI and N8N. Now you can start building this workflow for yourself, and the first step is getting N8N hosting. To do that, just click here and it'll take you to the same page that we saw in the beginning. Go ahead and start creating your workflows. Also, you can get our latest videos directly on WhatsApp. You can just scan the QR or tap the link and hit follow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.